Carl Friedrich Gauss was a German mathematician who contributed greatly to many fields of mathematics. Gauss was born in Brunswick to poor working-class parents. His mother's illiteracy meant that she never even recorded the day of his birth, only remembering that it was a Wednesday. Interestingly, Gauss eventually calculated mentally, using the fact that it was only 47 days after Easter. Gauss's mother recognized his genius early on, and knew that he needed to develop it with education. A well-known legend purports that once Gauss's stern schoolmaster asked all the students to add the numbers from 1 to 100. This task was meant to keep the students, all beginners, busy for a while. But to his teacher's surprise, in a few seconds, Gauss proceeded to the front of the room and placed his slate on the desk, explaining to his shocked teacher that he had reached to an answer. By seeing that 100 plus 1 equals 101, 99 plus 2 equals 101, and 3 plus 98 equals 101, and so on, he realized that he could find 50 pairs of the numbers that each add up to 101, and thus 50 times 101 will equal 5050. News of Gauss's intellect and abilities was brought to the attention of the Duke of Brunswick, who sent him to the University of Göttingen. While at university, Gauss managed to tackle a problem that had stumped mathematicians for over 2 millennia, dating all the way back to the ancient Greeks. Mathematicians had believed that this problem was impossible to solve. He found that a regular polygon with 17 sides, a heptadecagon, could be drawn by just using a compass and straight edge. Gauss was so happy about and proud of his discovery that he gave up his intention to study languages and turned to mathematics. This proof appeared in his magnum opus, completed when he was just 19 and published when he was just 21. His book, Disquitones Arithmeticae, contained important contributions in the field of number theory, a branch of mathematics concerned with the positive integers, or the integers in general. His contributions included a clean representation of modular arithmetic, the 2 first proofs of the law of quadratic reciprocity, and the development of the theory of quadratic forms. Not just active in number theory, Gauss made significant contributions in various different fields of mathematics, such as analysis, algebra, differential geometry, non-Euclidean geometry, and matrix theory. He also made important contributions in astronomy, magnetic fields, electrostatics, and optics. In 1801, astronomers had discovered what they thought was a planet, which they named Ceres. Having lost sight of Ceres and determined to find it again, they turned to Gauss for help. Gauss looked at their observations and calculated its exact position with a margin of error of less than half a degree, so that it was discovered easily. Additionally, Gauss worked on a new method of determining orbits of new asteroids, leading to an appointment as a professor of mathematics and the director of the observatory at Göttingen. Gauss died on February 3, 1853, age 77, having, through his immense devotion to mathematics, cemented his place as one of the greatest and most influential mathematicians of history.